Nothing beats a gazebo for a sturdy, freestanding source of shelter from the elements. Ridgewire have 2 gazebo models in their range and a selection of accessories for the ultimate shelter. Make your selection between a standard size 3x3 metre or 3x4.5 metre gazebo and you won't be disappointed. Both of these have a peak height of 3.3 metres. 420 denier polyester canopies are silver backed to reduce the transmission of heat and contribute to their SPF 50 sun protection. Far better than a tarp slung between a few trees, the sturdy hammer-tone finished frames apply perfect tension to the canopy, preventing flapping in the wind. For even further flexibility, each gazebo features finger-friendly push-button locking mechanisms, allowing you to raise your shelter to the desired height. Peg them down firmly with the included pegs and guy ropes, or use the sandbag weight sold separately for surfaces that are too hard or soft to peg. Now you're free to enjoy your time outside without a worry. Of course, none of this is helpful when the morning or afternoon sun beams down on you from alternate angles. That's why Ridgewire have sidewall and mesh wall kits to suit the 3x3 metre gazebo. These attach quickly to the frame of your gazebo at its top height setting and use a series of hook and loop fasteners to hold them steady. A replacement tarp is also available for the 3x3 metre gazebo should yours see too much time in the sun. When night falls, your Ridgewire gazebo can light up the night with the addition of a 12-volt gazebo light kit. Plug this into your vehicle or a portable power pack and you have up to 4,500 lumens of warm white light to enjoy your evening by. This light strip is IP67 water resistant, draws only 3.75 amps and can be adjusted with a simple twist of the inline dimmer switch. Whether it's a barbecue by the river, a gathering in the yard or an epic camping trip, make your setup the envy of everybody with Ridgewire gazebos and accessories.